What is the square root of 81? To calculate the square root of 81, we need to understand the definition of a square root. So, the square root of a is equal to b if, and only if b squared is equal to the value of a, that is, equal to the value inside the root. So what does that mean for us? I need to identify which number, when multiplied by itself, equals the value inside the root. In this case, 81. So what number do I multiply by itself to get 81 as the result? That number is 9, because 9 times 9 equals 81. Or to put it simply, 9 squared equals 81, just like our definition here. Therefore, we can say that the square root of 81 is 9. The square root of 81 is 9. So, we solve this quickly and simply, just by applying the definition of the square root. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I'll leave another video here at the end for you to watch. Big hug to you all, and God bless.